if you have a driveway with grass in the middle like this, and you just want to tailgate it down the tire tracks, take you a 2x6, wedge it in the middle of the trailer like so, and when you tailgate it, it'll just fill the tracks. I'll show you the aftermath. When you put that board in there, that's what it ends up looking like. You just lay in the tracks and it goes a little bit farther. It looks pretty nice. We still got a little bit left in here. Not bad, that's 5 tons. Here's what it looks like when you use a 2-foot 2x6. Wedge it in the back of your tailgate. You get a nice run just where you need it in the low spots.